With the new round of technological development and industrial revolution, Fujia responds to the times, follows the trends, innovates, and develops with an irresistible trend. Fujia has developed into a switching power supply manufacturer, integrating R&D, production, and sales. At present, the company has more than 1,500 employees and 100,000 square meters of self-built industrial park that can guarantee the production ability reaches 500 million pieces every month. The company has passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System certification and has a complete ERP management system. And the products have obtained many international safety certifications like CCC, UL, CE, GS, UKCA, SAA, KC, PSE, SMARK, and so on, and in the same time can conform to the newest RoHS and REACH standard. After 30 years of development and precipitation, Fujia's electrical products cover smart chargers, car chargers, household power adapters, medical power adapters, GAN chargers, wall-mounted, desktop power adapters, industrial power supply, security power adapters, PoE power supply, and customized power supply series. Fujia is a leading power technology management expert in the industry, insisting on technological innovation and committed to developing international advanced power supply product technology and providing one-stop OEM and ODM solutions of switching power supplies for the customer. In order to better meet the customer's diversified requirements, Fujia is equipped with advanced product testing instruments and experimental equipment. It has a strong technical team, efficient production capacity, and perfect quality management systems. The company is equipped with 966 standard EMC laboratory, high and low temperature, -70 degrees Celsius to 150 degrees Celsius experimental equipment, drop test, roller test, combustion test, salt spray test, burst interference test, voltage drop test, ESD static test, lightning test, two-dimensional image testing, and other equipment. In the same time, we also have AI automatic plug-in machine, SMT automatic placement machine, glue dispenser, printing machine, AOI optical inspection system, and automatic equipment production workshop. The company provides high-quality products and satisfactory services to customers in more than 100 countries and regions all over the world. Fujia has obtained more than 20 practical patent certificates with independent intellectual property rights. And we are rated as a national high-tech enterprise, director unit of Guangdong Power Industry Association. The company has successfully won honorary titles such as China Quality Manufacturer and Excellent Strategic Partner. Fujia responds to customer needs quickly with global services and makes unremitting efforts to provide customers with standardized switching power supply solutions. Under the new starting point and new mission, Fujia will continue to carry out technological innovation, leveraging the future of China's intelligent manufacturing with innovative technology, and making our company a leader in the power supply industry. In the future, Fujia will continue to adhere to the purpose of customer satisfaction, take science and technology as the core, and strive for survival by quality. Promote development with reputation, build brand with service, and become a benchmark enterprise in the power supply industry. Fujia will strive to write a new chapter in the development of the times.